Matt, I see you like Verizon. I mean, is part of that going to be the iPhone 8 super cycle that people are expecting?
Yeah, I think that'll help some. I actually just think the business itself has turned around quite a bit. They've had a good quarter last quarter. I think I was on a month or two ago talking about them, and they had a real good second quarter with some new growth in their net adds. They also have a low churn. They actually have expanded their unlimited plans, so the offering is getting better all the time, and consumers seem to be taking another look at Verizon again when they were sort of looking at some of their competitors for a while there.
Matt, when you're thinking about the markets between now and the end of the year, I mean, are clients that you're talking to in advance of potential tax reform, are they saying that they want to hold off on any asset sales or reallocation? Is there actual consumer activity that is on hold because of this expectation of tax reform, or is it just this expectation that we're, in the end, going to get a corporate tax cut and that's all?
Yeah, I think that consumers are not looking and changing their portfolios based on tax reform. I do think that we are optimistic that we can get something done, and we hope so, but we know Washington has a tendency to disappoint, and without health care reform on the front end, it's a little bit harder for them to get something through maybe on the back end with tax reform. At the end of the day, I do think that our clients seem to be a little bit nervous right now, and I've actually been preaching about caution for the last couple of months and taking in some of my equity positions from where the growth has been. You know, right now the market has been a little bit, aggressively on the upside with lower quality stocks, higher PE stocks, really running ahead of everything else. And I think you really got to look at the markets and be a little bit more cautious with everything we have, with the debt ceiling ahead,
so you're
maybe
nervous.
Government shutdown and so forth. So we're being cautious at this point.
And Mike, so are you. I mean, you're saying that stocks aren't outrageously